got my Planterina mail. Hi, it's Plantain Charlene. Welcome to my channel. I am about to discuss some plants that I received from Planterina. So if this is your first time watching any of my videos, thank you for watching. I hope you will subscribe, like, comment, hit that bell to know when a new video is coming. And if you've been on my channel before, thank you for returning. I appreciate everyone. No pressure to anything. I came home and guess what I found at my door? Planterina mail. So it's time to open this box up. Get my plant boogie on. That's the plant boogie dance. Hey, you see that? Chinese evergreen, but it's the wintry wine house. My fan is blowing my receipt. The Chinese evergreen wintry wine house. And as usual, it gives you care instructions. Basic. Can you see that? And then on the other side, information of when you get started. So there it is. This is a small one. Okay, you see all of those nice pretty leaves. It's in a, I'm gonna say a 4-inch pot. The prayer plant. That prayer plant. Oh, look at how the light just captures that. Y'all see how beautiful that looks? Oh my goodness. Oh boy, do y'all see that? It's in complete prayer mode. Prayer mode. Look at that. Oops. Okay, so some soil did fall out on this one, but that's okay. They did put some kind of packing paper to try and hold the the soil in. Sometimes we do things and we fail. Plant is beautiful, and I'm not complaining. Loose soil is expected. Somebody's riding a motorcycle or a very loud car outside. Oh, look. The roots are already coming out the bottom on this one. But I'm not going to repot it just yet because it just got in my home. I'm not going to repot it yet. I didn't check this one. I do see one little root coming out the bottom here, but that means, could this one be root bound? Let's see if I can get that out and not make a super mess. Wow, look at that. This is a very, very good plant. Well taken care of. Thank you. That was a good thing to see. This plant will be root bound soon. And I'm gonna have to repot it. Oh my. I'm gonna give it a week before I repot it. But again, look at how pretty that looks. Y'all see how beautiful that is? Look at them together. Isn't that nice? Oh man, I'm so excited because this plant, when you give it the proper light, the leaves get pink. So I'm definitely gonna have to put this in a very well lit area. I can see some of the pink coming on certain leaves. I don't know if it's really pickering. I'm not sure if it's picking up in the camera And as always with a Calathea, you get the back of these leaves looking in this, having this beautiful burgundy, purplish, not burgundy, but purplish color. And it's so pretty, so pretty. And you can see, since it was in so much darkness when I had taken it out, the leaves were much higher up, I think. Anyway, I'm blabbing. I'm happy. I'm very excited. Let me move this so you can see me. So there it is. Planterina, as usual, comes through with some fabulous plants, and I'm very excited to take care of them and watch them grow. So everybody, keep planting, keep growing. Have a blessed day. I hope you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell to see more videos, and till the next one, take care everybody. Bye.